focus on them.
Huh?
Unless there's something they're trying to, they don't see any predators that they'd be afraid of, but they'd be taken off, right?
There is you see the big bird, the white,
Yeah.
a big bird standing there, and all the black birds are flying around him. I don't know why.
Maybe that's the thing. It's lighting up a little bit.
Yeah. I don't know, I'm just wondering, there is some kind of tension between the bird standing there and the other ones flying around him. Yeah, I know, it's